Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to put tags under a YouTube video. Without further delay, let's get started. Now to add tags to your YouTube video, all you need to do is go to your channel. And then right up here, we're on our YouTube studio. Now inside the studio, we are going to upload a brand new video. We're going to hit upload video, and I am going to select a random video to upload. When uploading a video, you have your title right here. And so this video is an example video. For tags, you need to scroll all the way down. You're going to see this button for more options. This is where you can do paid promotion, tags, which is what we're doing, subtitles, and more. So if you hit more options, it's going to open up some more options. Right here, we can start to add our tags. And so you can add tags. And we are going to hit return, and that is going to add in our tag. I can add in a few more tags here. And it's really that simple to add in tags. That's all you have to do. Now, if you want to add tags to an old video, back in YouTube Studio, if you go over here to videos, we can find an old video. And we'll just use this one, for example. When you open it up, it's going to look similar to when you were uploading the video. And we can scroll down, and we're going to see this tags option is right here. You can see I've already added my max amount of tags. Now I add new tag. When you have an old video that you want to add some tags to, when you come up here, you hit save, and that is going to be automatically updated for you. So that's all for today. And I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.